Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
President Tinubu on Sunday emerged as the new Ecowas chairman at the 63rd ordinary session of the coalition held in the Republic of Guinea-Bissau. In a statement by spokesman Dele Alake, the Nigerian leader said his economic plans for ECOWAS include the elaboration of socio-economic plans for the sub-region and encouraging trade and investment among member states. President Tinubu also promised that Nigeria will organize a trade and investment summit on October 23, 2023, to drum home the need for economic recovery and growth in the sub-region. Tinubu said during his tenure, ECOWAS leaders would work collectively to pursue an inclusive economic integration, which will be significantly private sector driven. He added that ECOWAS would actively promote trade, investment and business cooperation among member states by addressing the barriers impeding inter-regional trade and as well as creating a conducive business environment. Amaka Anyao reporting from Face TV Africa.
We will not allow coup after coup West Africa's president. We will take this up seriously with African Union and to the European Union and Britain and America. Take it up. It's a challenge, yes. Democracy is very tough to manage, but it's the best form of government. And we also ascribe to it. We must bite back. We can't sit like toothless bulldog and ECOWAS. For the confidence reposed in me, I pledge to you, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that I will do my best. I am just new. This is my first. I'm giving a surprise package. We work collectively to pursue inclusive economic integration of West Africa sub-region. We should serve a warning to exploiters that our people have suffered enough. We should make a pledge here that in furtherance of our region's economic recovery and growth, we will commit to democracy and promote democracy and rule of law. I am with you. In Nigeria, we are back. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Warmly congratulate our brothers President Ahmed Bola Tinubu of Nigeria and Julius Maada Bio of Sierra Leone on the election and their election respectively to the supreme magistracy of their country, and wish them great success and considering the fact of these two great brothers people. This presidential election considered reinforcing the democracy foundation of our community, despite the setback that we have registered in recent years with the unconstitutional change in some ECOWAS members countries.
I would like, therefore, to welcome President Tinubu to his first meeting of the ECOWAS Authority. On behalf of the community institutions, I would like to extend our felicitation and best wishes in piloting the affairs of Africa's biggest economy and the largest country. the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We bid farewell to your predecessor, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, who chaired the ECOWAS Authority from July 2018 to July 2019 and provided tremendous support to the ECOWAS efforts towards political stability in the Gambia, served as the ECOWAS champion for the fight against COVID-19, effectively leading a regional response to the pandemic, and approved the building of a new befitting office for the ECOWAS Parliament, side by side the new ECOWAS Commission headquarters, which is being built by the government of China in Abuja.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Muswobi.